Hi everyone, I'm Mercedes Sanchez from BeChicMag.com, and it has been a while since my last video, but I'm back and I'm super excited to talk to you today about my daily skincare regimen. And I have to say that for the past 4 or 5 months, I've been really trying to avoid harsh chemicals and eliminating all these dirty products from my medicine cabinet. And if you don't know which ingredients are bad for you, I highly recommend that you Google Dirty 30, and there you'll find so many harsh chemicals that we find daily in our skincare products, in our lipstick, our mascara, even in the hand soap we use in our bathrooms. And as you can see, I'm pretty much wearing no makeup right now. In the next clip, you'll see me completely makeup free. So as you can see right now, I am 100% bare face, makeup free. I don't even have a moisturizer on, and this is because I want to explain to you and show you my process. This is the Dermaid Purifying Gel Cleanser. See if that works there. So I like it because it has charcoal and it has healthy ingredients. So obviously you would apply the gel cleanser all throughout your face and then wash it off, rinse it off. So I just rinsed off the gel cleanser and my face is feeling great. However, it is a little dry just because it is winter. So after rinsing off the gel cleanser, I use this floral toner. It's from Andalou Naturals. I also got this at Whole Foods. I like it because it's non-GMO and it has no harsh chemicals. So I'll show it to you right over here. And basically you just shake it up. And you can use this in the morning and in the evening and just spray it like a regular floral mist. Whew. So this floral toner is also supposed to help you revive your complexion for a flawless look, according to the back here. And it has pomegranate and it has so many different refreshing rose stem cells. So I really have been enjoying it. These are not inexpensive though. I think I bought it for maybe 20 bucks or between $15 and $20. And as some of you know, I've been doing some freelance work in public relations and they require me to go over to the office. And so I told myself, okay, I want something where it looks like I have makeup on, but not really. I don't want to be applying those harsh chemicals all the time. So I bought this tinted moisturizer. It's actually a CC, a Color and Correct, also by Andalou Naturals. And I like this tinted moisturizer because it's very lightweight and it has decent coverage. It's not gonna give you the coverage you get with an actual foundation, but it does cover some blemishes. Basically, it just makes you look more awake and more polished. And it's exactly what I'm looking for in the morning. But what I usually do is that I mix it a little bit with the Nikeo brightening oil. I feel like it gives me that glow that's needed, especially in the winter time. So I just mix it together and I apply it. So how is that? Do you see a little bit of a difference? So the amount of coverage that I need and want, it all depends on where I'm going that day. So if I have a meeting at the office, I will definitely apply a little bit more coverage. But if I'm just running errands, then this is it. I don't need anything else. And when it comes to using these healthier products, it's not just about our face, right, and makeup. It's also about deodorant. So I want to show you 2 deodorants I've been using. The first one I bought here also at Whole Foods. It's Naturally Fresh. And I love it because it's hypoallergenic and it also has no fragrance and it's paraben free and of course no aluminum. So this is a new deodorant that I first tried in the summer and it's by Andy O Organics and it was created by my friend Carmen from Viva Fashion in Miami. So I'm super excited to be presenting to you her deodorant. Again, just like the Whole Foods one, it has no aluminum, no parabens, and also it's non-GMO. You might sweat a little bit, but what's really important here is that you won't smell. You know, you get rid of toxins in your body by sweating, so that's still important. And I have to say, Carmen, you did such a great job with this deodorant because I did not smell. So I'm always looking for that new healthier deodorant. So these two have been my go-to for the past couple of months, and I'm super excited to share again. Andy O Organics. So I highly recommend this quick, toxic-free morning skincare regimen. If you like it, please do share with all your friends and subscribe down below.